Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to play Snake. EO on PC. We'll use an Android emulator, which is a simple way to bring your favorite mobile game to a larger screen. This method provides more precise control with your mouse, enhancing your overall gameplay experience. It's an easy process, taking only a few minutes to set up, so you can start slithering and growing your snake on your computer right away. To begin, you'll need to choose and install an Android emulator. Popular options include BlueStacks or LD Player, both known for their stability and performance. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator to download the installer. The installation process is straightforward. Simply follow the prompts, which usually take about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure your PC has at least 4 GB of RAM for optimal performance. Once your emulator is installed, launch it from your desktop. Inside the emulator, you'll find an icon for the Google Play Store, just like on an Android phone. Click on it, then use the search bar at the top to find Snake. EO. Select the game from the search results and click the Install button. The download size is typically around 50 megabytes, and it should install within a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Now you're ready to play Snake. EO on your PC. Use your mouse to guide your snake, offering much finer control than a touchscreen. To get a speed boost, simply press the spacebar on your keyboard. Remember to collect as many colorful dots as possible to grow your snake to an impressive length. Try to strategically cut off other players to collect their mass and dominate the leaderboard. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.